So, you want to make tons of money online and become an entrepreneur, and you have discovered this new method called YouTube automation, which has made people hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month. YouTube automation, or faceless YouTube channel management, is where you produce content with very low effort from your end and still make a lot of money. Now, before I tell you how to do this, let me show you that this channel, according to Social Blade, makes over $200,000 every single month from YouTube automation. Now remember, this is only ad revenue. If you know how to monetize your audience, you can make even 10 times that amount. Now, what do we actually do in YouTube automation? Make content and upload them to faceless YouTube channels. Sounds easy, right? Well, I'll show you and then you can decide, is it easy or not? So, there are two ways of doing YouTube automation. 1. Hiring a team to make your content for you. For this, you'll need to use sites like Upwork and Fiverr to hire freelancers to generate video ideas, write scripts, do voiceovers, and make thumbnails and titles for your video. You'll also need to hire a very good video editor who is well experienced and knows how to retain the audience throughout the video. But for this method to work, you'll need to have a pretty good idea of what makes a good video yourself, or you need to hire a channel manager to guide your team. And also, you'll need to have communication systems in place for a smoother workflow. I recommend Discord or Slack for this. But if you're a beginner with very little money, this method is not for you. It has worked for many other entrepreneurs, but it's very expensive and complicated. So if you are a beginner, this next method is for you. That is leveraging free AI tools and other software to make content fast and easily. Here are 7 tools I recommend. First, vidIQ to research keywords to get an idea of what content you can make for your audience. Number 2, ChatGPT to write scripts, descriptions, and community posts. Number 3, Clipchamp to change your script into realistic voiceovers in the voice you like. Number 4, Pixabay to get free stock videos, images, music, and sound effects. Number 5, CapCut or any other video editing software to edit your videos. Number 6, Canva to make thumbnails. Number 7, Midjourney to generate unique images and logos to use in your video. But before you do all of this, you'll have to pick a niche. A niche is a particular type of audience you have to target. This is absolutely essential, otherwise YouTube will not promote your videos if they are too general. Some popular niches are finance, business, and movie reviews. Now, which niche you pick will also determine how much money you make for every 1,000 views. But don't pick a niche you don't like just because it makes more money. Trust me, you won't be able to stay consistent, and consistency is key if you want to make tons of money. I will leave a link in the description to show how much money each niche makes on YouTube, which will help you decide. So now that you picked your niche, you need to go on YouTube and search for videos that do very well even for smaller channels, and then enter them into vidIQ. And you need to pick a video idea that has a high search volume and a very low competition. After you found the keywords, then search that term and see how many views each video gets, primarily on smaller channels. If you think you can compete among those videos, it's now time to work on making the video. First, we gotta make a thumbnail. We'll use Canva for this. Look at the thumbnails of videos of other channels on the same topic and analyze them a little bit. But don't copy them entirely because they are smaller channels, so they probably don't make very good thumbnails. For example, if the video idea is top 10 Minecraft servers and the thumbnail with Steve's image gets more views, then use Steve's image in your thumbnails too. Then for the title, you need to use ChatGPT and vidIQ's AI coach to generate a title with the keywords you found on vidIQ. And if you want, you can also take inspiration from similar videos. So your thumbnail and title are now ready. Now for the actual video itself. Select another video from your niche which did really well but not on the same topic, and copy its transcript and ask ChatGPT to write a video script for you in a similar style, and ChatGPT will give you a very good script. Now, you may not like the script that ChatGPT gives you, so I recommend editing it with the help of vidIQ's AI coach and use your own creativity. After making the necessary changes, copy the script to Clipchamp or any other voiceover platforms, and then you gotta select what voice you want the voiceover in, and it will give you a very good version. Now, I know it doesn't really sound that good, but it will eventually improve, and people still make tons of money using this terrible voice. Or else you can do the voiceover yourself if you don't really like the AI version. Then you need to download stock videos, images, and sound effects from Pixabay. Then edit your video using CapCut and all of the stock videos, images, and sound effects you downloaded from Pixabay, and make sure to use CapCut's auto captions feature, as these captions make your video more engaging. Now, when it's time to to upload, go back to vidIQ and search up your keywords again and go to related keywords and matching terms and copy all the relevant terms and go to vidIQ's coach and ask it to generate a description using those keywords. And even this will help promote your videos. And boom, your first video on YouTube automation is done. Now you gotta do this consistently for many more days. Upload at least once a week. Keep an eye on your channel analytics. Now all that I mentioned till now are just the basics. You'll need to learn many more things to grow your YouTube channel. Audience retention, click-through rates, CPM, RPM, hooks, what makes a good title, what makes a good thumbnail, and so much more. And you'll also wonder, how the hell do I make money from any of this? Well, here's how. First, there's ad revenue you receive from YouTube. For this, you'll need to enter into the YouTube partner program, but you won't really make that much money if you only depend on ad revenue. You can make so much more money if you learn how to monetize your audience, and you can do this even before reaching 1,000 subscribers. Now, here are some of the ways I recommend. Number 1, affiliate marketing. This is where you use links to promote certain products and you get a certain percent of the money made from selling that product if someone uses your links to buy them. If you do this right, this can generate tens of thousands of dollars from purely passive income. I'll give you an exact step-by-step process how to do this at the end of the video. Number 2, CPA marketing. It's the same as affiliate marketing, but even easier. The person who clicks on your link just has to enter their email. That's all. They don't have to buy anything, and you get some amount of money if they just enter their email. Number 3, selling your own products. After you established yourself as an authority to your audience, they'll buy your products, which means more money. I recommend selling digital products because they have zero reproduction and distribution costs and can be replicated infinitely. Number 4, brand deals. After you've grown to a certain size, you will have companies wanting to do brand deals with you, and if negotiated properly, they can make you a shit ton of money. Hey listen, I know all of this sounds very stressful, so let me help you out. If you click the first link of our description and enter your email, I'll give you a completely free PDF to your inbox which contains many terms you need to know on YouTube. And it also contains tips on how you can make ridiculously high amounts of money using the methods I told you earlier. For example, it contains a method of how you can adjust your channel to earn thousands of dollars without ever relying on ad revenue by using affiliate marketing and brand deals. And it contains so much more. Like, I'm giving away a lot of free value in that document, and this might not be available for long. So click the link and get it for free now. And if you're a business owner who wants to know how to do YouTube automation with a team, I've included that too in the document. So go check it out. Anyways, if you want to get better at making videos, subscribe and turn on notifications. And if you want to get more views, check out this video right here. Thanks for watching.